Hey guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we have another recipe video, and today I'm sharing with you guys how I make my banana nut chocolate chip coffee creamer bread. It is so yummy. I shared this in a vlog a few weeks ago and I was just kind of throwing together, it was like a hot mess. I was throwing together whatever ingredients I had around the house and it ended up turning out amazing. So in this video, I want to share that exact recipe with you guys. It's super easy, super delicious, and we are in quarantine and it doesn't really count as quarantine unless you have made banana bread. So if you haven't yet, hopefully you give this recipe a try, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. For starters, you're gonna need 4 super ripe bananas, so super brown, super spotty. It makes them really soft and mushy, and it takes away the starch from the bananas, so it just works so much better in this recipe. You'll need 1 full stick of butter, so that is half a cup of butter, and we can go ahead and melt that. There we go, melted butter. You'll need half a cup of your choice of coffee creamer. Today I'm using hazelnut. There's our half cup of creamer. You'll need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And there's the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. You'll need 1 cup of brown sugar. And there's our 1 cup of brown sugar. You'll need 1 teaspoon of baking powder, as well as 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And I just added both of those here in this bowl, so I have the baking soda and baking powder here together. You'll need 1½ cup of all-purpose flour. And there's my 1½ cup of flour. You'll need 1/3 cup of nuts. Today we're using pecans, but you can use walnuts, peanuts, almonds, whatever nut you would like. And you'll also need 1/3 cup of chocolate chips. These are unsweetened chocolate chips. And I just added the pecans and chocolate chips together in this bowl. Now before you start mixing and putting everything together, you wanna go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. So we have our giant bowl here, and you want to go ahead and start adding everything together. So I'm gonna start with the bananas. Next we'll pour in the butter, and then our half cup of coffee creamer, our vanilla extract, our 1 cup of brown sugar, baking soda and baking powder, and then our flour. Just dump that all right on in there. We're gonna add the chocolate chips and nuts in a little bit, but first we're going to mash this up. You can use a hand mixer, a whisk, a fork if you want, but I prefer using this because it leaves it a little bit chunky, which I think adds a really nice texture to the banana bread that we're making. This is what I did last time, and I liked that I had some chunks of banana still like there, but to each their own. So once we have our mixture ready to go, you can go ahead and add your chocolate chips and your nuts, and then we're just gonna fold this into our mixture. Perfect. So now we're gonna set that aside. I'm gonna grab my little baking dish here, and I'm gonna just pour everything into here. And here we have it. So now we're gonna take this and bake this at 350 degrees for 1 whole hour. See you soon, banana bread. Bye. And we'll put that for 1 hour. Boom. All right, I think she's done. Here is what it looks like. We're gonna let it cool for a few minutes, and then we'll cut into it and see how it tastes. Now it is the moment of truth. Look at how good that looks. Ah. Look at that. Oh my gosh, looks delicious. Look at how amazing that looks. OMG. I got my Johnny here, and we're about to taste test. This one's bigger if you want that one. Cheers. Too big? I know, I cut it a little crooked, my bad. My bad. Cheers.
It's good, babe.
So you can see like the little chunks of banana, because remember we left the mixture pretty chunky, and I think it just gives the banana bread like this moist texture, like it's not dry or anything like that. It's so good, and the amount of chocolate chips is perfect, as well as the nuts. Oh my gosh, you guys need to try this recipe out. So there you have it. That is how you make banana nut chocolate chip coffee creamer bread, and it is amazing. So I hope you guys give this a try. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!